I was hanging out with a friend last weekend, and she was staring at her tiny laundry nook, sighing every time she thought about having to juggle a full-size washer and a separate dryer in that cramped space. She told me she'd seen a wash tower online and wondered if it could actually replace both machines without turning her closet into a sauna. I could tell she was nervous about spending a lot of money on something that might end up being more trouble than it's worth. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. So I dug into the specs, skimmed a handful of user comments, and tried to picture a typical week in the life of someone who would actually live with this unit. First off, the LG 5.0 cuffed washer paired with a 7.8 cuffed heat pump dryer lives in a single, vertical chassis that takes up roughly the footprint of a standard front-load washer. In a house where the laundry room is the size of a walk-in closet, that design alone is a game-changer. You're essentially swapping two bulky appliances for one column that slides into the same spot. For families that do multiple loads a week, think soccer practice shirts, muddy jeans, and the occasional bedding set. The combined 12-plus cubic foot capacity means you can toss an entire week's worth of laundry in one go, which cuts down on the number of cycles you have to start and stop. The dryer part uses LG's dual inverter heat pump technology, and, crucially, it's ventless. That means you don't have to cut a hole in the wall or run a vent pipe through the roof. In older homes, especially ones built before modern ventilation standards, that alone can save you a few $100s in installation costs and a lot of headaches. I've actually walked through a couple of renovation projects where the contractor spent a full day just trying to figure out where to route a dryer vent. With a heat pump dryer, the moisture is condensed and collected in a tank that you empty after each cycle. Simple. But you do have to remember that step. Now, the big question, does it work? The AI washing system LG touts claims it can sense the weight of the load, the type of fabric, and automatically adjust the water level, spin speed, and cycle length. In real-world use, that translates to less fiddling with knobs and a decent level of consistency. I tried a mixed load of towels, cotton tees, and a pair of gym shorts. The machine sensed the heavier towels, boosted the rinse, and finished in about 45 minutes, pretty close to what I'd expect from a mid-range front loader. The dryer, on the other hand, took about 90 minutes to get those same towels to a usable dryness. That's noticeably longer than a conventional electric dryer, but it's the trade-off for a ventless system that runs at a lower temperature and is supposed to be gentler on fabrics. The low average rating, 2 out of 5 stars from a handful of reviewers, raised a red flag for me. While I don't have a full list of complaints, a score that low usually points to at least a few recurring issues. In the snippets I could find, people mentioned the unit feeling overly complex, and some reported that the dryer's auto-cleaning cycle didn't keep the condensate tank as dry as advertised, leading to occasional water overflow. Those are practical concerns. If you're not comfortable with a bit of routine maintenance, a ventless dryer can become a nuisance rather than a convenience. Also, because the machine is taller than a standard stack, you need at least an 80-inch ceiling clearance. Otherwise, the door might hit the ceiling frame. So, who should consider this LG wash tower? If you're a homeowner with a modest laundry area, especially one where adding a vent is a deal breaker, the space-saving design is a solid win. The large drum sizes are perfect for families that do bulk washes, think bedding, towels, or a weekend of sports gear. The AI wash cycles and smart connectivity. You can start a cycle from your phone, get notifications when it's done, and even have the machine diagnose itself, are a nice perk for anyone who likes their appliances to talk to them. And if you value gentler drying because you have delicate items or just want to reduce shrinkage, the heat pump dryer's lower temperature can be an advantage. On the flip side, skip it if you're renting and can't guarantee a professional installation, or if your ceiling height is marginal. The longer drying times might frustrate someone who needs clothes ready in a hurry, like a single parent juggling school pickups. Budget-conscious shoppers should also pause. This unit sits in a premium price bracket, and the potential for maintenance quirks could add hidden costs. If you already have a well-vented dryer that does the job in half the time, the ventless convenience may not be worth the extra expense. From a value perspective, the savings really come from the eliminated vent installation and the ability to combine two appliances into one footprint. You're also paying for the future-proof angle. LG's smart ecosystem means you could integrate the